What is up everybody, welcome to my channel and hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to check your Instagram's comment history. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification turned on to our channel because we post content like this. So to get notified for our future video, be sure to subscribe with notification on. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So before starting this video, let me make it clear to you guys, there is no button in which you can just click and see all the photos, videos, posts you have commented on Instagram. There is a button which you can click and see all the posts you have liked, but there is no button for comment like that. There is a button in Facebook, but on Instagram there is no button. You have to use some other ways to see those posts which you have commented on. So the first way is you can click on this heart over here, and once you click on this heart, if you have commented on someone's post and someone has liked the comment, then it's going to be shown over here like this over here, just like over here where it says Richie Kevin liked your photo. If you have commented on a post and somebody has liked your comment, then it's going to show over here Richie Kevin has liked my comment or ... person has liked my comment. So that's one way to see your comment. And the other way to see your comment is if you have commented on someone's post, then you must have liked the post as well, I mean statistically. But if you haven't liked the post, then this will not work. But if you have liked the post and commented, then this will work. So for this, go to your profile picture at the bottom, and after clicking on the profile picture, you can click on the three line over here and then go on setting from here, and on setting go on account. And on account, you can scroll down until you see post you have liked. As I already told you in the beginning, there is a button to see all the photos you have liked, photos and videos you have liked, but there is no button for comment. As you guys can see, there is no button where it says post in which you have commented. There is only button for posts you have liked. You can click on it, and after you click on it, it's going to show all the photos and post you have commented on. So you can just click on the post and see, have I commented on this? No. Have I commented on this? No. Have I commented on this? As you guys can see, I have commented on this over here. So that's one way you can check your comment history. So yeah, these are the technique you can use to see your comment history on Instagram. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'll be shining out. Have a nice day everybody. Bye bye and peace out.